It's another chilly morning. Are you confused about where your food is? Come on. He was up there, a foot away from it. Come on. Come on, let's go. Right here's your food. Right here. You want it warm? We can put it on the heating pad for a minute. Here's your food. What's wrong? Everything's right. Okay. The chicken too cold? There you go. Don's got breakfast done. I'll come out and do water in a minute. Don't want to miss my couple pieces of bacon. There's my buddy. There's lots of chicken this morning. I've got just a little bit too much broth in your bowl though. It's swimming. Your chicken is swimming. It'll be fine. See? Swimming. The ones that like the chicken like to lap up some of the broth too. Hey buddy. The loud squirrel out there this morning. We're gonna go for a walk as soon as I'm done with my morning routine. Don's got an 11 a.m. conference call, and probably be better if he was back here for it. Good morning, Gray. Hi. Well, I like to see when you've eaten all your food. It's a good girl. Hi. Aw. Good morning. Guess who's gonna come to see you this week? Yeah. I forgot to look up the rain we had Saturday. It was actually 8/10, so it did qualify as meeting what they said, which was 3/4 to 1 1/4 inches. So it was a significant rainfall. It's water time. Let me go see what Tux is up to because I'm worried. Are you Stripe? He just came over here to use the bathroom. He wasn't causing you no trouble. I came to get Tux. I figured that something good wasn't going on because they were both over here. Well, it's your fault. You weren't near him and you came over by him. It's your fault. Well, pretty soon our tree will be red next to where Jules is parked. Remember how pretty it was last year? Yeah. We both have on a little warmer jacket, shirt, something. Yeah, Don doesn't care about his legs, but he cares about his arms and shoulders. Don's back there on his call now. We saw Rosa briefly at the park, and I got my pogo daily stuff accomplished. You know, all the good things, the important things. I'm just kidding. Morris is enjoying his morning up top in the CAD hotel. There's a little sun there. Stripe is here in the chair. Marty was in the house for a minute, is back out. And there's Tux. I sat with him on the step and gave him a good pet down. Or brush without the brush. Don's doing a couple of chores and finishing up his conference call. I am going to do some Lego storage and sorting and then probably start something new because it's early. Well, it's going on noon, but it's early, right? You gonna help like always? Good girl. Good girl. If you're gonna be standing in the kitchen sorting Legos, you might as well also cook bacon on discount electric time. So there's 3 pounds minus a few pieces. It's 4:30 and I've been going strong all day sorting major progress. Feeling good about it. I'm going to start cooking our egg casserole, broccoli egg casserole thing, and I'll probably be putting a few more things away, but I'm mostly done with more than what I thought I would get done today, so there's that.